According to some studies, coffee has more antioxidants than any food or drink in the American diet. I like to enjoy a cup of coffee every morning, get my antioxidants, get my brain sharp, and wake up and start the day. So I take my coffee with a little bit of sugar. You know, some people use the blue or the pink or the yellow stuff, but usually more natural is best, but everything in moderation. So now I'm going to take a little bit of half and half and add it to my coffee. And you might say, well, that could be clogging your arteries. But just as I said before, if we do everything in moderation, we can enjoy all of our favorite things. One thing that's really nice with a cup of coffee is to just bring it up to your face and soak in the aroma. And then when you drink it, you know that those antioxidants are just coursing through your body and making you healthy while you have great flavor at the same time.